In this video, I want to talk to you about some of the things that are within the app when you're out on a route that helps you understand what's going on and where you're going. So I want to talk about the itinerary tab in your Amazon Flex app while you're en route, how that might be able to help you when you're out there. Let's get to it right now. Starting off, let's talk about how to get to the itinerary tab in the first place. You want to just go into your app as you're out on that route, and you'll see in the top left hand the little three lines, and you'll want to click on there. It's going to pop up a bunch of different options for you to utilize when you're en route. Some of them are useful, some of them are not useful, should just be ignored. But the itinerary tag is right in there. It says today's itinerary, and you're going to want to select that, and that's going to pull up a new page, and it's going to show on the top, you'll see where it says list, map, and summary. And you want to look into each one of those to see how they might be able to help you when you're en route. The list section for the Amazon Flex itinerary is going to show you the full length list that you can scroll up through to show you exactly who and where you're going to. So you can scroll through this and you could select a customer and you could see where they might be on the route. Sometimes Amazon will send you driving past a home on your route, and you could go into this list, you could select that house, and you could drop that package right there versus going past them and coming back later. I don't always do that. I actually tend to just follow whatever Amazon tells me to do on these routes, and they seem pretty efficient, but this is an option for drivers if they feel like that would make them more efficient when they go past the house. Now let's go into the map that I actually think is very helpful. If you get your route, you didn't really glance down, you didn't see where exactly you might be headed, or you thought you were going to a certain place in your community and you're not really sure, you can select the map tab and it'll pull down the entire map that you're about to go to, so you get to see right where you're headed, where you're going to start, and where you're going to finish. This is extremely helpful for me because I like to know if I'm going to be headed back towards my home or if I'm going to be headed further away and end up an hour away from my house. So this is a helpful area for anyone to view as they're moving along within the route that you're operating. The last tab is going to be your summary tab, and that's just going to show you the number of packages that you have, the number of customers, and the ones that you've actually delivered in a successful manner, so that way you can see what's been done on your route. I don't ever look at this. I don't know if it's really that valuable to people other than maybe knowing how many people they're going to be going to and the number of packages, but it's there for your information if you're interested in that. Those are the three tabs on today's itinerary within the app while you're en route, and I think that you will find them useful at some point as an Amazon Flex driver. We have different scenarios that come up all the time as we're out here. I mean, just the other day, I had a situation that I pulled up to a house. I was supposed to have a package for the customer. I didn't have the package somehow. I got away from the warehouse after scanning everything. I didn't have the package though. I was wondering where it could possibly be. Maybe it was misnumbered. So I looked through all my packages, still couldn't find it. Another driver pulls up with some packages for the same house at the same time, thank God. And she happened to actually have my package in her route. I don't know how this happened. She doesn't know how this happened. We don't know how we got away from the warehouse with each other's packages, but we did, and we happened to show up at the house at the right time. Well, she was able to show me that when you go into your itinerary, you can scroll through all the customers, and by doing that, we were able to find the package that was missing within her car that was supposed to be in my car. So it was actually valuable to know how to find this information. We found it under the list of customers. We were able to coincide the numbers, and it was the package I needed. And this could happen to you. I'm not going to say it's a very common situation because I don't think it is, but learning your app, knowing how to use it more and more is a really smart thing to do as a Flex driver. Play around with the app, learn your app so you're more comfortable out here delivering. And when you run into awkward situations, you can handle them. You guys, until the next video, take care.